Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese milk. First, gather your ingredients. 1 gallon of fresh whole milk and 1/4 cup of white vinegar or lemon juice. You'll also need a large, non-reactive pot. This simple method uses common kitchen items to transform milk into a curdled base, perfect for various cheeses. It's a fantastic starting point for any home cheesemaker. Next, pour your milk into the pot and begin heating it gently over medium-low heat. Stir the milk constantly to prevent it from sticking to the bottom and scorching. The goal is to slowly bring the milk's temperature up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a reliable thermometer is crucial for achieving the correct temperature for curdling. Once the milk reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat immediately. Now, slowly pour in your 1/4 cup of vinegar or lemon juice while gently stirring. You'll quickly notice the milk beginning to curdle, with solid white curds separating from a yellowish, watery liquid called whey. This is the magic happening. Finally, prepare a colander by lining it with several layers of cheesecloth. Carefully pour the curds and whey into the lined colander, allowing the whey to drain away. Let it drain for 30 to 60 minutes, depending on how firm you want your cheese milk curds to be. You now have a versatile base ready for seasoning or further cheese making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.